Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this stitch or this pattern. It's the Blossom Grid stitch and it's a 2-row repeat, and you're making blossoms next to each other and on top of each other. So this is what I'm going to show you how to make this pattern. Take my yarn and I have a crochet hook 4.5 millimeters. First we're making a slip stitch, and then you need to chain a multiple of 4. I'm not going to make a very large swatch, but you have to make a multiple of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my base chain. So for row 1 you're gonna skip 1, 2, 3 chains from your hook, and in that next chain we're making a double crochet. And then in this stitch we're gonna make 2 chains, I'm sorry, and then on top of this double crochet over here we are gonna make 2 double crochet together. So yarn over into this stitch over here, pull up your yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook and leave the other 2 on your hook. Yarn over, and in the same stitch over here draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on a hook, so yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on our hook. Okay, so now we're going to skip 1, 2, 3 chains, and in the next chain we are making a 3 double crochet together. So yarn over, in that chain over here draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leave the other 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, in that same stitch draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. So now you have 3 loops on our hook, leave them on your hook, yarn over, in that same stitch draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. So now we have 3 double crochets which are not finished, and we have 4 loops on our hook. So now yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on your hook. Now chain 2, and in this space over here we are making 2 double crochet together. So yarn over into this space over here, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, in that same stitch over here draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So this is going to be your 3 petals of your blossom, and in the next row we are making the last petal over here. So now this is what this is what we need to repeat for the rest of this row. So skip 1, 2, 3 chains, and in the next make a 3 double crochet together. So yarn over, in that stitch draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, leave the other 2 on your hook, yarn over, in that same stitch draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, in that same stitch draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. So now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on our hook, chain 2, and in this, on top of the 3 double crochets together, we are making a 2 double crochet together. So this forms the petals of your blossom. So 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 chains left. So skip the first 3, and in the 4th chain we are making a 2 double crochet together. So yarn over, in that last stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, in that same stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And this is how row 1 is looking like. And my the thing I showed you is a little bit bigger, but for this I just need a little swatch to show you how to make this blossom grid stitch. Okay, so now for row 2, this is a row 2 and row 3 repeat. So after I crocheted row 2 and row 3, then just rewind and go back to row 2 and just repeat those 2 rows. So chain 3, turn your work, in that first stitch over here make a double crochet, and now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and on top, or you can say in the middle of these 3 petals over here, you're making a 3 double crochet together. So yarn over, in this space over here, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, in that same stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, in that same stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through all 2 loops on your hook. So now I have 4 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. And now you can see your first blossom is done. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then at next center of your blossom, make a 3 double crochet together. Four loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and just continue this for the rest of your row because your work will be bigger than mine. But if you are at the end of the row, if you completed your last blossom, then in this stitch over here, in your last stitch, make it 2 double crochet together. So yarn over, in that last stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, in that same stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. So 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. You can see now I have 2 blossoms over here. They are completed now. Okay, so for row 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, in that first stitch over here make a double crochet, and now we are doing the same in row 1, but the stitches are a little bit different because we are not having the chains over here. Okay, so for now we are chaining 2, and in that double crochet we made over here, in that space here, we are making a 2 double crochet together. So 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now in the 3 double crochet together in the previous row, over here in this space, we are making a 3 double crochet together. So you can see I made 3 double crochets but not finished. So 4 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. chain 2, and in the top of the 3 double crochet together we are making a 2 double crochet together. So maybe you're asking why I don't make a 3 double crochet together, but that chain 2 counts as a double crochet, or else your flowers will be bigger. So this petal will be bigger if you make a 3 double crochet. So we have 3 petals. To the next 3 double crochet of your previous row. So over here we are making a 3 double crochet together. Four loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 2, and on top of this 3 double crochet together we are making a 2 double crochet together. Three loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So now I'm at the end, and on top of this double crochet we are making a 2 double crochet together, because the beginning and the end doesn't have that 3 double crochet, because your work will be bigger and your edges won't be straight. So this is how it looks over here. So you can see row 3 is the 3 petals of your blossom, and now you have to repeat row 2 to finish your blossom. So just rewind until you are at row 2 and just continue this pattern with row 2 and row 3. So always end with the row 2, because your blossoms will be not finished if you just leave it at row 3. So I hope I explained it a little bit well, and I'm curious what you are making with this stitch. Would be nice for a blanket, or maybe maybe a pillowcase, and then just make sure you have some fabric that matches your yarn, or maybe just a whole other color, so your yarn pops out with the color, with a different color of fabric you are doing at the back. But I'm just curious what you are making with this pattern, and if you do not want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel, put on a notification so you get a message when I've uploaded a new pattern or a new video. And for now I just wish you happy crocheting and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.